May we call on Bea Remorelan, grade 6 Iris, with honors.
Dito na, baka kabahan.
Makikita lang naman yata dito ni Bea.
Klaro ba?
Remorelan?
To our very own school principal, Ma'am D. Matias, dedicated teachers, barangay officials, headed by Honorable Mrs. Amorita Valerio, beloved parents, friends, and fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all. On behalf of all the students here, I want to take this opportunity to thank and congratulate